For practice exercise 8.1, we're going to use dataset 2 from the appendix. We're going to test whether or not the classifications of employees match the 20, 50, and 30% that we expect. To do this problem, we're going to go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, One Sample. We are going to, under Fields, make sure that Classify is in the test fields. Under Settings, we are going to customize the test or ask it to do a chi-square test. We're going to select Options and enter in Custom Expected Probabilities, Category 1 to 20, Category 2, 50, Category 3, 30, and run that particular test. When we do, we will get the following output. A chi-square of 3.111, which has a significance level of 0.211. Notice that it's also up here in this real language version. That is not a significant difference, and this graph shows us both what we saw as the frequencies and then what we expected as the frequencies, and this is not a significant difference.